and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maisha. I go by Placid on Twitter, not Placid on Instagram, Princess Placid on here, and my in person. But it's, you know, if you don't know me, you can call me my. You can call me whatever you want, just watch your mouth. You know how that go, because I will cuss you out. You already know. You know that. Today's video is going to be me dyeing my hair. As you can see, my hair look crazy. Hold on, let me fix it. My hair look crazy. Can you see that? So let me explain how my hair is dyed. So it's light in the front and then dark in the back. Can you see that? Y'all see that? How it's dark and then light? You see that? I have had locks for what? 10 months now as of 2 days ago. Period.
And that's just motherfucking period.
I just want to redo my hair. I don't really want my roots to be dark. I mean, to be bleached. Girl, I'm out of breath. Oh my god. I'm not a fan of having bleach roots because it looks crazy to me. I be looking bald-headed, and then when I try to sleek down my edges, I look actually bald, and I don't like it. I'm using, I already opened the box, hold on. I'm using this, the Cream of Nature, light golden blonde hair color. I'm using that. If you didn't know, it comes with the developer, oh sugar. It comes with developer color, high lift booster, and then it comes with this. I don't ever use this, girl. I got Locs. It's the conditioner. I don't use that. Oh yeah, that's Spanish. Hold on. I just need to know what goes first. Okay, so you cut the tip off of that, pour 2 into that. When do you shake in 1? I mean, huh?
What, bitch?
We just gonna do it. Alright, so it says to cut the tip off of this. Ooh, don't smell these things. Why would I do that? Why would I do, I can't even turn a fan on, girl. I'm finna pass out. Just drop all that in there. And then I'm gonna take this booster. I normally put like half of this in there, but I'm gonna put the whole thing. I don't have not one ponytail holder. Girl, this ain't mixing right. Oh my god. Yo, my arms hurt. Okay. Maybe I'm high because I'm nervous. Every time I dye my hair, I get nervous. How long are you supposed to shake this shit? That's Spanish. Hold on. Shake vigorously until mixture is completely blended. All right. Hold on, I'm gonna be back. Okay, I'm back. And the angle's different. I feel real short. I sectioned off the parts. I feel so short. I sectioned off the blonde bits, right? I normally have a ponytail holder, but you know, all I got is rubber bands. So.
Bands, that's our check, talking. Take all your.
Alright, I'm gonna do the ends and work my way up. How about that? Oh, that one ain't This one ain't supposed to be. Oh, these ain't supposed to. Oh, those ain't supposed to be in it. Oh, damn. Those ones ain't supposed to be in it. Those. It's okay. They just got blonde ends. It's cool. Why it look like nothing happened? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I got this angle so y'all can see that. That seen my face look crazy. What that look like? I need to do the other side. Well, I ain't gonna have none. Okay. This last bit I'm gonna put on this side. Little rubber bands. And somehow boom. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna come back, alright? So we back with it. Don't be scared. Add some more. Oh, I have a bald spot. That's a long story. But then again, sometimes, no, it's a bald spot. No, it's a bald spot. I don't know. It's a long story. I've had it since I was a kid. I'm not playing. It's really been there since I was a kid. Chemical burns are real. Don't give your kids a perm when they're 7 years old, okay? Don't do it. It's not smart. So as you can see, it's looking real future. It's looking real what's that other rapper's name? What's his name? Oh, Young Thug. It's looking really Young Thug. Look at that. I think I finished this 2 minutes ago, so I'm gonna let it sit for, I don't know, I didn't read the instructions. Hold on. 25 minutos. Oh, this is Spanish. Okay. 25 minutes. I'm gonna let this sit for 25 minutes and then we'll see what it looks like. It's already pretty blonde. Like, you probably can't tell, but it looks very different. It look. This is what I wanted, like, initially. Like, I didn't want that, like, honey blonde color. I wanted, like, blonde in the front. So, I don't know how this is gonna go. Let me show you the back. What it look like? I can't see the back. Hold on. Yeah, I guess. Alright, so I'm not gonna retwist my hair today. My hair is not gonna be retwisted. My hair is currently retwisted. I know you can't tell, but it is. It's retwisted. It just, when you got thick locks, your retwists don't really stand a chance, okay? Yeah, we're gonna let this sit for another, I've been talking for about 4 minutes, so another, girl, what time? 20 minutes. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Hold on.
I look like a clown.
It's so light. Oh my god, I gotta rinse this out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta rinse this out. Hold on. Oh my god, I gotta go. That's how bleach works. It's just really light. I don't... Mom!
wash the shit out.
You think I can just put black on top?
Girl, you put your hair on my hair like you can't do that. Well, usually people bleach their hair in order to put a dark hair. Check this shit out.
Okay, we're fresh out the shower. I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, it's not that bad. How does it look? How does it look? Alright, so I'm gonna let my hair dry. I don't know, I have to see what it look like dry. I'm gonna let it dry, see what happens. It's been like, I want to say like 2 hours. I let my hair kind of air dry. It's like, my hair's still wet, but it's been like an hour, I'm not gonna lie. This is what my hair looks like. It looked crazy. This is my hair. Whatever.
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down because I'm having a panic attack.
Yeah, if you like the video, like, thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. I hope you have a nice night, day, wherever you are. Bye. I kind of don't like it. I don't hate it. It's not that bad, but whatever.
Oh! Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.